Here's a simple way to debug your gamepad inputs visually on screen. I'm using the assets from Kenny with a small change where I cut the D-pad in 4 and made it white to match the other keys. As this is for debug purposes, a canvas panel containing all the buttons as images will do. And for the logic, changing the color opacity with a bit more functionality for triggers and sticks to slowly blend the colors the further you press, as well as moving the sticks in the direction you press them. Now, to check it again, you can also pair this with enhanced input debugs, such as Show Debug Enhanced Input for a full suite of details. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.